Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll Premium not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Crunchyroll Premium isn't working properly, maybe it's not recognizing your subscription, your account is showing as standard instead of premium, or you keep getting ads, then this simple step-by-step guide will help you fix it. So let's get started. First, log out of your Crunchyroll account and then log back in. Sometimes a basic refresh is all it takes to restore your premium status. So simply open Crunchyroll app and tap on account at the bottom right. Here, scroll down and select logout. After logging out, make sure to completely close the app, reopen it, log in again, and then check whether your premium access is restored. Also, double check that you're not logged into the wrong account by mistake. Crunchyroll allows multiple logins, but the subscription only applies to the specific account used when purchasing. So if you paid through Google Play or the Apple App Store, verify which email was used during the purchase. If you subscribe through the App Store or Google Play, open your Crunchyroll app, go to Settings and tap on Membership. This will force the app to sync your premium subscription with your account. After doing that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to your app store, search for Crunchyroll, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap on update and allow it to install fully. Older versions of the app can sometimes cause login problems or prevent your premium status from syncing correctly. If you're still facing the issue after all these steps, then the best option is to contact Crunchyroll support. Go to help.crunchyroll.com, submit a request, and clearly describe your issue. Their team usually replies within 24 to 48 hours. And that's how you can fix Crunchyroll Premium not working. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Crunchyroll Premium not working. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.